Hey guys, we received this adjustable ratchet wrench kit for test and try. 6 to 24 opening with the ratcheting adjustable wrench with a 360-degree rotating head and reversible switch. So CRV steel locking tool with a universal socket wrench and the self-adjusting tool set. So overall, I will say this is all in one as you can adjust the size. You can also do right and the left notage and very nice ratcheting style thing where you can see it here. So the reverse mode or the rotation mode. So it's pretty easy for any type of ratcheting things that you need to. Comes also with the gloves, so you can see that part. So this is the 5 centimeter or this total length is around 20 centimeter with this 12.5 centimeter of the handle. So this is very smooth as I can feel it here. So I'm using this ratcheting style thing. It holds different style here and it becomes really easy for me to hold and use the ratcheting thing.